Listen closely, folks. Have you heard the buzz? The Midland Fire Department is here to keep you safe and sound, completely free. That's right, no strings attached. Stay tuned as we tell you how a quick call can get your home and loved ones protected.
Hi, I'm Mark Laux. Did you know that 72% of homes in Michigan where a fire death occurred in 2023 had no working smoke alarms? Good news though, you can make your home safer from the fire risk with just one phone call to the Midland Fire Department. Thanks to a statewide My Prevention program, Midland Fire Department will provide smoke alarm devices to any City of Midland resident who needs them at no cost. But wait, there's more. We'll even sweeten this special offer for you. Not only does this program provide free smoke alarms to residents who need them, but your proud public servants at the Midland Fire Department will install them for you. Wait, you can even have your smoke alarms installed by this fine firefighting gentleman right here. Ooh. That's right. Quicker than you can say, "Holy smokes, that's a fine firefighter in my foyer," our experienced and trained public servants will expertly install provided smoke alarms in the correct location.
Golly, gosh darn, that must cost a fortune. How much is it?
That's the beautiful part of this program. It's free. The smoke alarms, the installation, the fire safety check, everything comes at the low cost of $0. And you can take that to the bank.
What if I have my own smoke alarm? Will you help me install it?
You bet your bottom dollar we will. The highly trained members of the Midland Fire Department can select the best place for your new smoke alarm and hang it up, making it look like you did it all yourself. Wait, did you bring that with you? You know what? It doesn't matter. Yes, if you have a new handy-dandy fire safety contraption of your own, we'll install it free of charge. We also educate you on the fire safety risks in your home, too.
I rent my home. Can I get a free smoke alarm?
Sorry, this program is only available for owner-occupied properties, but we'd still love to give you resources so you can practice fire safety wherever you live.
Does he make home visits?
Anyway, to secure your participation in this program and take advantage of this amazing opportunity, contact the fine folks at the Midland Fire Department at 989-837-3410. They'll set you up in a jiffy with a free smoke alarm, free installation, and a free fire safety check. Call now and ensure that your home is fire safe thanks to the Midland Fire Department.
Don't wait. Call the Midland Fire Department today at 989-837-3410 and schedule your free smoke alarm installation. Protect your home and loved ones. It's fast, it's easy, and it's absolutely free. Call now.